Good morning, sixth graders. Happy Tuesday. This is our last week of the semester. The semester ends on Friday, so let's make sure that we are finishing strong. This week, what we're going to do, if you look at the week 20 folder, is today your assignment is to finish and submit the week 19 vocabulary number 4. That is the assignment we started last week in class. And if you have finished that already, I'd like you to look and make up any other missing work. This is an assignment throughout the entire week. If you make up anything that is late, please email me so that I know to update your grade. Now, for those of you who were struggling last week, because we moved very quickly through the vocabulary, I just want to remind you how you can finish that. So if you go to the week 19 folder, you'll see our vocabulary number 4 assignment here. And if you click on that, you'll notice there now is a link for the slides for the notes. So what you do is open the slides, have your notes open in a separate tab, and you're going to scroll down until you get to our vocabulary. Now here you'll see the information that you need to fill in, minus your own sentence and an image. Remember, we're picking an image either from the internet or that you've drawn using Google Draw to help you remember what that word means. To find things on the internet to copy and paste, you can always open a new tab and search for things and then use the right-click menu to copy, or you can click Control-C. And then you go into your notes and you click Control-V or the right-click menu and you click Paste. Now, when you do that, you're probably going to need to make the image smaller. Otherwise, your notes will end up being like 5 or 6 pages long. Now, if you want to write your own sentence, I would highly encourage you to do so. But if you need to, you may always use the example sentences that I gave you that we used to make guesses about our words. Now, based on context clues, all of you had some great ideas about what our words meant. Once you have finished adding this information, as well as sentences and images, you may click Submit. You are allowed to use these notes on our quiz if you want to, but those are only going to help you on the quiz if you actually do the notes. If you have questions about how to fill in the notes after seeing this, please let me know. I would love to help you. Here's what we need to do for the rest of the week. On Thursday, your only homework is finishing any missing work or revising something that you think, ooh, I didn't do great on that. On Friday, our last class of the semester, you'll have an opportunity to finish your quiz if you don't finish it tomorrow, and also make up some missing work with me or Miss T. And if you're already caught up, you finished the quiz, your grade is looking good, I will have an extra credit task, and I will also have some extra fun Kahoot work that you can do that is just like a nice, relaxing, fun activity. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to come to tutoring, 9 a.m. and 2:15 every day, or email me at any time. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.